How to create a YouTube channel on an iPad. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel on an iPad. First, go to the YouTube Studio app on your iPad. Then, tap on the profile at the top and reach the settings. Here, you can see the account settings. To create an account, go back and tap on Switch Account. Now, select Add Account and continue. After that, enter your email address along with the password. Next, it will create your account and go back to select YouTube. On YouTube, tap on You at the bottom. Tap on the Switch Account and you can switch to your new account. Now, tap on your account in the You area. You can change its profile picture, name, and handle. Here, hit the Create Channel button and it will create your channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.